Safeguard your car the way it truly deserves. Trapo Xtreme shields your ride from the toughest challenges. Super durable, superb protection. Even when you're looking for the thrill of the chase, feel safe knowing that your car floors are always protected from bacteria thanks to our specially engineered antibacterial properties. No more worrying about unpleasant smells. Always knee-deep in mud? No worries. Trapo Xtreme fits seamlessly, providing full coverage from all elements. It's also easy to install and remove for your convenience. Finally, enjoy a peace of mind with effortless cleaning. No elbow grease required. Trapo Xtreme is quick to clean and quick to dry. Discover a new standard of car protection with Trapo Xtreme 3D mats. Drive in style while keeping your ride spotless. Trapo, elevating your driving experience.